This video delivers step-by-step solutions on transferring data from iPhone to Android, starting with a reputable third-party software, then to using Google Drive, Dropbox, and email, and also official transfer tools for the same. Part 1. Best way to transfer data from iPhone to Android. Mobican Transfer for Mobile is simply the best way to transfer data from iPhone to Android. This is because it is a complex and professional software for data copy. Step-by-step guide on how to use Mobican Transfer for Mobile to finish iPhone to Android transfer. Step 1. Connect both devices to a PC and launch the software. Step 2. Choose the data files to copy. Step 3. Easily transfer data from iPhone to Android. Part 2. How to transfer files from iPhone to Android with Google Drive. On iPhone, use Google Drive to upload files. Google Photos. Enable backup and sync for photos and videos. On Android, download files from Google Drive. Install Google Photos. Enable backup and sync for automatic photo download. Part 3. How to transfer from iPhone to Android with Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud-based tool that allows for iPhone to Android transfer of data by syncing files to cloud. This service is available for a majority of devices. You can use it on either Mac or Windows. Part 4. How to transfer iPhone data to Android by email. Choose the desired files from your iPhone and then share. After that, choose Mail or any other form of email app that you prefer. To send these files to yourself on your Android device, open the selected email sharing app and access the files. Part 5. How to move data from iPhone to Android via official transfer tools. One good example of such apps is the Samsung Smart Switch. This app allows you to log into your iCloud account and copy your desired data files from your iCloud backup to your Samsung smartphone. Another good example is the Huawei phone clone. Just as you can tell from the name, this app allows you to identically copy data files from your old iPhone to your new Android device. You can do all this without losing data. Xiaomi also has the Xiaomi Mi Mover. This also gives you the power to transfer selected data types from your iPhone to your Android.